Friends, this is PPS Chawla welcoming you once again to the weekly predictions on the basis of moon signs in their horoscopes. From 26 March, moon will be entering Taurus at 2:36 in the afternoon. After 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Venus would also enter the Taurus moon sign. Hence, for Taurus moon sign, this is going to be a very important week, especially from 26 March afternoon. They will be doing something very good in these 2-3 days, 26th to 28th of March. The week is beginning on a positive note for the moon signs Aries and Libra. Aries will, however, not be able to get any major improvement or many major further positive breakthrough in any of their matter, but Librans would definitely be happier with this transit of moon in the very first 2 days, that is 25th and 26th of March. On 29th March, moon enters Gemini and remains there for 2 days, that is 29th and 30th of March, and on 31st March in the noon at 1:45 p.m. it enters Cancer sign. So from 29th March and 30th March and first half of 31st March, Gemini and Sagittarius can have a good relief, and Libra, Aquarians are also going to have a good period in this 2 days. The Cancer moon sign and Scorpio moon sign, however, need to be very cautious in these 2 days. On 31st March at 1:45, moon enters Cancer sign, which is not good for Sagittarius as well as Leo moon sign, especially for Leo moon sign, and this is not going to be a favorable period, and they must keep precaution and they should donate milk and water as much as possible in these 2 days. These 2 days, that is last 2 days of the week, Saturday and Sunday, from noon onwards of Saturday and Sunday, Cancer and Capricorn moon sign people will have some relief. Cancer especially may have some relief, and they will be feeling a little bit joyous, some reason for them to cheer up. But it is very good for Capricorn moon sign people. They may get some very important breakthrough in their important matters which will proceed for the betterment. For all other moon signs, this is going to be an average week. Now I would repeat that the week is exceptionally good for Taurus as well as Aquarius and as well as Libra moon sign people. Aquarius people can have some favorable property matters in their favor. They can go for negotiating any property in this particular week. Now a word about the last week's predictions. From 18th March to 25th March, I had predicted something about India's independence chart, and I had mentioned that from 9th April in the chart of the Prime Minister, and from June onwards in the chart of both as well as India's independence chart, the period is not good. There might be again some different kind of disturbing news which will be coming. And if the viewers have seen my prediction for the entire year of Cancer moon sign, they would see that yes, most probably the things are happening in the same way. Thank you very much. Wish you all a very happy week.